Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE AXON 20 and let me share with you how to soft reset or force restart your device. So basically this operation will be useful if for some reason your device does not respond to your touches, the screen freezes and you have no idea what to do. So you can try to soft reset or force restart it. Your device will be simply forced, obviously, to turn off. And after that, it will be automatically turned on. In order to do that, we have to press the power button, which is right here. Press it and wait until we will see the black screen and then the developer's logo, which will simply mean that the device has been restarted. So let's try to do it. Let me press it and let's ignore those options because we are pretending that we cannot tap on them. So I hope it will work. Press it, and as you can see, we've got the black screen. I felt a vibration and I also see the developer's logo, which simply means that we just successfully force restart actually the device, and after a while it will be fully turned on and I hope it will work properly. So basically that's all. This is how to soft reset your ZTE AXON 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.